Hello friends, first of all thanks for being here in my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how to square a number faster. So friends, everybody intention is to square a number faster, right? That too in a competitive exam we need to square a number within 5 seconds. So friends, I am just going to teach you a right method and a faster method and a smarter method to square a number. So friends, if you are preparing for a competitive exam, if you are not going to any institution, then you will surely know this first method, right, which we learned from the schoolings, right? Second method, if you go for any institution, then they will teach 1 cross, a 3 cross, that is cross 1, in order to solve the squaring a number faster. If you search many YouTube videos, then you can surely say that this method is nowadays most of the students is applying, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So friends, I am not at all going to teach you a magic, right? I am just going to teach you a best method by using all these 3 methods, friends. Why? Because in the first method I have just found what is the drawback when we use this method in the competitive exam. I just found out what are all the drawbacks of this 3 method. First method, the main drawback is it takes just more than 1 minute, right? If it is a 992 square, definitely it will take more than 1 minute. And this method, where I think it is a universal method, those who are preparing for a competitive exam all over India is following this method, that is 1 cross, 3 cross, then 2 cross 1. You can say that this method is applied for a smaller numbers, right? So 121, 131, 108, we can use this number. If it is a huge number like 777, 773, then surely this method takes you more than 1 minute when compared to that method, friends. Why? Because we need a huge addition. We need to add 42, 33, 43, something like that. We should properly add all the values. So I can surely say that I won't suggest this method to any of my friends. I only think is that don't follow this method. Better follow this method or better follow this method. Don't follow this method. Why? Because it requires a huge addition, friends. Definitely we will make a mistake in the exam. And the third method, which is recently followed by many students, that is a formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. This method is applied for an easy number if it is in the range of 200, 300. But if it is in the range of 400 or 500, we can't able to use this method. Definitely this also takes you 1 minute. So friends, I have just found what are all the drawbacks of this 3 method, and finally I have found my method in my YouTube channel. Surely you will love it, surely you will enjoy it, no doubt about it. But my only advice, practice more than 1 month. Just by seeing this video, you can't able to square a number faster. Practice a lot and lot, at least 50 to 100 number, friends, so that you can surely crack a question in an exam. We are just going to learn a new method. Just download this video, share this video to all your friends so that your friends can also learn. Download this, keep it safe on your laptop or a mobile phone. Practice daily a minimum of 2 or 3 numbers. I will surely say that you will be so brilliant than me. So friends, let me move on to the excellent method now. So friends, before applying the technique, you should know 2 important things. What is the difference between 316 square and 317 square? And why this number is called as type A and why those number is called as type B. You should know these 2 important concepts. First of all, we see what is the difference between 316 square and 317 square. So friends, just kindly take your calc and see what is 316 square. If you square this 316, the answer will be 99856. If you square 317, then the answer will be 100, then 489. So friends, when you keenly watch the answer, what is the difference between 316 and 317? So friends, the 316 square answer is 5 digit. 317 square, the answer is 6 digit. So from this, we can clearly say that from 100 till 316, when you square any number, the answer should be 5 digit. From 317 till 999, if you square any number, the answer should be 6 digit. Friends, got the logic, friends? If I am saying, what is the answer for 291 square? 291 square. Step number 1, you should say whether the answer is 5 digit or 6 digit. I can surely say that the answer should be 5 digit. Why? Because 291 square is less than 316. If a number is less than 316, then definitely the answer should be 5 digit. If I am saying what is 512 square, the number is more than 317, then definitely you should say that the answer should be 6 digit. So this is the difference between 316 and 317. If they are giving any numbers, step number 1, always see whether it is below 316 or whether it is above 317, right? Okay friends, what is called as type A and type B? Friends, listen carefully. If a number is between 1 to 50, is called as type A. If a number is from 51 to 100, then it is called as type B. This is called as type A and type B, right? There is not a huge difference in solving, but you should remember that why this number is called as type A and why this number is called as type B. For an example, just see 521 square. 521 is in the range of 500 to 550, right? When you see any other number, friends, let me see 291. 291 is in the range of 250 to 300. Friends, got the logic? 1 to 50, that is called as type A. If it crosses 51 to 100, then it is called as type B. So friends, by seeing a question, step number 1, you should say whether it is 5 digit, whether the answer is 5 digit or whether the answer is 6 digit. Step number 2, whether the number that we are going to square is type number A or type number B. If you know these two things, you can close your eyes and say any square, right? Any square, friends. But only thing, by looking at this video, you can't able to say, right? You should practice a lot. Minimum of 1 month you should practice, friends. So friends, I took more than 3 months to practice this. From 100 till 999 square, I took 3 months. More than 3 months I took to square a number by closing my eyes. So friends, I think you are more brilliant than me. Kindly practice more than 1 month. Just concentrate on the smaller numbers, then go for the huge numbers, right? So friends, let me move on to the best technique never seen. Now let me move on to type number A, the first question, that is 203 square. So friends, always remember that type A is the number that is between 1 to 50, right? So 203, 205, 230, wherever the number that is 1 to 50, that is called as type number A. So friends, now our target to square a number, that is 203. Step number 1, always remember that by seeing a number itself, you should say whether the answer is 5 digit or whether the answer is 6 digit. By seeing a number, I can surely say that the answer is 5 digit. You know that in the basic itself I have told you, if a number that is between 100 to 316, then definitely the answer must be 5 digit. Here the number is 203, it is definitely below 316, so I can surely say that the answer must be definitely a 5 digit. So friends, if someone is asking what is 203 square, I just think for a second and I can say the answer as 41209. So this is the answer for 203 square. So friends, how my mind works, if someone tells any number, how my mind works, listen here friends, 203 square, just listen carefully friends, I am just going to teach you slowly the first number, 203 square. So friends, from 200, listen here friends, I am just taking 200 as a base number. From 200, we need to find what is 203 square. From 200, it is not 3 more. Friends, got the point? Our target to square a number 203, I am just taking 200 as a base number. From 200, it is not 3 more, right? I am just going to add not 3 again to the same number, that is 206. Friends, got the point friends, right? I am just going to add not 3 again to the same number. Now we got 206. We took 200 as a base number, so multiply this 206 by 2. So finally we got 412. Friends, listen carefully. Finally we got 412, which is 3 digit. So friends, we already know that if we square 203, definitely the answer must be 5 digit. Now we got 412, 3 digit, remaining only 2 digit. From 200, it is 3 more. So 3 square will be 9. So I can surely say that the answer must be 41209. So this is the answer for 203 square. So friends, this is the way my mind works if someone tells the number. Friends, got the point friends. First of all, our target to square a number, that is 203. I am just taking 200 as a base number. From 200, it is 3 more. So I am just adding not 3 again to the same number, that is 206. We took 200 as a base number, so I am multiplying by 2. So 206 into 2, the remaining will be 412. So friends, now we got 412 friends. Listen carefully, we got 3 digit. We know that the answer must be definitely 5 digit. From 200, it is 3 more. So 3 square will be 9. So finally I can say the answer is 41209. We square the second number. The second number, that is 307 square. So friends, our target to square a number, that is 307. So step number 1, always by seeing a number itself, you should say whether the answer is 5 digit or the answer is 6 digit. This 307 is less than 316. So I can surely say that the answer must be definitely 5 digit number. Right? So friends, in the previous case, we can surely say that the answer is in the range of 200, right? The first question is 203 square. We can say that the number is in the range of 200. But the second question is 307, friends. Listen here, the second question is 307. So we can say that the number is in the range of 300, right? So friends, our target to square a number, that is 307 square. I can say that this 307 square is in the, this is approximately in the range of 300. From 300 it is not 7 more. So I am just going to add not 7, that is 07 again to the same number. When we add this not 7 again to this 307, then we can got this as 314. So friends, got the logic? What I have did is, just listen carefully friends. In the previous case it is 2 not 3. From 200 it is 3 more, right? So I am just adding not 3 again to the same number, so that is 206. So here the number is 307, right? So it is nearer to 300. So from 300 it is not 7 more, so I am just adding not 7 again to the same number. So when we add not 7 again to the same number, that is 314. So friends, from the previous case we have multiplied by 2. Why? Because it is in the range of 200, but in this case we need to multiply this number by 3. Why? Because it is in the range of 300. So when we multiply this 314 into 3, so friends listen here, 4 into 3 will be 12, right? So remainder will be 1. 3 into 1 will be 3, 3 plus 1 will be 4, right? So 3 into 3 will be 9. So friends, finally we got 942. So friends listen here, now we got the answer, that is 3 digit. You know that when we square 307, definitely the answer should be 5 digit. So only 2 digits are remaining. Friends listen carefully. The given question is 307 square, not 7. When we square this not 7, that is 49. So we can surely say that here it is 942, so 49. So finally the answer is 94249. So friends, got the logic? What are all the things I have did? Step number 1, by seeing a number whether answer is 5 digit or 6 digit. This is step number 1. This is in the range of 300. So friends, from 300 it is not 7 more, adding not 7 again to the same number. So that is 314. Because from 300 we need to multiply this by 3. When we 314 is multiplied by 3, 942. So still we need 2 digit. So the given question is 307 square. When we square not 7, then 49. So finally we got the 5 digit. So final answer will be 94249. Let me move on to the third number, that is 412 square. So friends, we are just going to square a number, that is 412. By seeing a number itself, you should say whether the answer is 5 digit or whether the answer is 6 digit. Definitely I can say that this number 412 is greater than 316. If a number is greater than 316, then definitely the answer should be 6 digit. Step number 1. So friends, now our target to square a number, that is 412, right? So friends, from 400 it is 12 more. Add 12 again to the same number, that is 424. So friends, in the previous case we have multiplied by 3, in the first case we have multiplied by 2. Here it is in the range of 400, so we need to multiply this by 4. So 4 4s are 16, remainder will be 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus remainder will be 1, that is 9. So 4 4s are 16. So friends, finally we got 1696. Listen here friends, the important step here, right? So finally we got 1696. So friends, the last two number are 12. When we square this 12, then 144. If I write 144 here, then the answer will be 1696, then 144. But our only target, the answer should be 6 digit. So listen here, below 6, friends listen here, below 6 I am just going to write 144. So friends, got the logic, right? So friends, 12 square will be 144. If I write 144 at the last, then the answer will be 7 digit. But our target, we know that the answer should be definitely 6 digit. So 1696, so below 6, 144. So I can surely say that the answer is 169744. So the answer should be 169744. So friends, got the logic? So this is the important thing that you should know, how to square a number. If you practice a lot, then you can surely crack the question friends without using pen and paper. Now let me move on to the fourth number, that is 521 square. So friends, step number 1, by seeing a number itself you should say whether the answer is 5 digit or whether the answer is 6 digit. I can surely say that the answer must be definitely 6 digit. Why? Because this 512 is more than 316. Whenever a number is more than 316, definitely the answer should be 6 digit. So friends, listen carefully. Step number 1, we found that the answer should be definitely 6 digit, right? So 521. From 500 it is 21 more. So add 21 again to the same number, that is 542 friends. Now we need to multiply this by 5. So 5 into 2 will be 10, remainder will be 1. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 will be 21, remainder will be 2. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2 will be 27. So friends, finally we got 2710. Friends, listen here, when we square, the last two numbers are 21. When we square 21, that is 441. If I write 441 at the last, then the final answer is 7 digit. We know that the final answer should be definitely 6 digit. So write 441 like this, 441. So friends, finally we got the answer 271441. So this is the answer for when we square a number, that is 521 square. So that is 271441. So friends, if you apply this logic to all these numbers, if you need to square, that is in the range of 1 to 50. Right? So 212, 213, 412, 413 or 421, 434, every number can be solved by using a trick. Only thing is that step number 1, you should judge whether the answer is 5 digit or 6 digit. If you know this trick, then you can easily solve all the question that is based on type A. So friends, the last number is 913 square, right? So friends, the same procedure friends, 913. From 900 it is 13 more, add 13 again to the same number, that is 926. Then we need to multiply this by 9. So finally we need to write 169 at the last. So the answer should be definitely a 6 digit. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this type number A. So let me move on to type number B. Where type number B, if the number is in the range of 50 to 100. Let me move on to the first number, that is 196 square. So friends, listen carefully. Always the step number 1, we need to say whether the answer is 5 digit or 6 digit. By seeing a number, I can surely say that the answer must be 5 digit. Why? Because 196 is less than 316. Whenever a number is less than 316, then definitely the answer must be 5 digit. So friends, listen carefully. I am just going to teach you slowly, right? So friends, listen here. We are just going to square what is 196. So friends, from 200, listen here friends, from 200 it is 4 less. Friends, got the point? From 200 it is 4 less. So I am just going to subtract 4 in the given number. 196 minus 4 will be 192. So friends, got the point? This is the step number 1. In the first case, right, in type A, from 200 it is 3 more. So we add 3 again to the same number, that is type number A. But in this type number B, from 200 it is minus 4 less. So we are just going to subtract minus 4 in the given number. So 196 minus 4, the resultant will be 192. So friends, from 200 we have calculated, so the base number is 2. We need to multiply this 192 into 2. So finally we can say that 384. So friends, finally we got 384. Friends, listen here. From 200 it is 4 less. So 4 square, that is 16. So finally we can say the answer as 38416. So this is the answer. So friends, 38416. Friends, got the point friends? Just listen carefully. They have given a number 196. From 200 it is 4 less. First of all, we have subtracted 4, that is 192. From 200 we have calculated, so we need to take base number as 2. So 192 into 2, that is 384. Finally we got 3 digit. We know that the answer should be definitely 5 digit. Listen here friends, from 200 it is 4 less. So 4 square, that is 16. So finally we got the answer as 38416. Sum number 2, that is 291 square. So friends, step number 1, always remember that we need to say whether the answer is 5 digit or 6 digit. We can surely say that 291 is the number that is less than 316. So we can surely say that the answer should be 5 digit. So friends, listen carefully. Listen friends, 291 square. From 300 it is 9 less. So friends, got the point? From 300 it is 9 less. So we need to subtract 9. 291 minus 9, the resultant will be 282 friends. Friends, got the point? From 300 it is 9 less, so we are just going to subtract 9 in the given number, that is 291 minus 9 will be 282. We took the base number as 300, so we need to multiply this by 3. So when we multiply this by 3, 3 into 2 will be 6. 8 3s are 24, the remainder will be 2. So finally we can say that 3 into 2 will be 6, 6 plus 2 will be 8, 846. So friends, we got 846. Listen here friends, from 300 it is 9 less, so 9 square will be 81. So finally we can say that the answer is 84681. So finally we got the 5 digit, that is 84681. So friends, this is the concept friends, right? Though it is a very big number, you can surely crack the question by using this method, right? Practice a lot, practice a lot daily, at least 10 or 20 numbers. You can also close your eyes and you can also say the answer, right? So friends, what are all the things we have did? Step number 1, we have just found whether the answer is 5 digit or 6 digit. From 300 it is 9 less, so we need to subtract 9 in the given number, that is 291 minus 9, 282. So 282 into 3. Why? Because we have took base number as 300. So we need to multiply this by 3. And we multiply this by 3, so 846. We know that the answer should be 5 digit. So last number is, from 300 it is 9 less, so 9 square will be 81. So finally we can say that the answer is 84681. Now let me move on to the huge numbers, right? That is 492 square. So friends, we are just going to see what is the answer for 492 square. So friends, listen carefully, apply the same concept, right? So 492 square. So friends, we can surely say that from 500 it is 8 less, right? We are just going to find what is 492 square. So from 500 it is 8 less, so we need to subtract 8 in the given number. So 492 minus 8, so when we subtract this, so 484. So friends, we took base number as 500, so we need to multiply this by 5. So 484 into 5 will be 2000, then 400, then 20. So we can surely say that 2420. So friends, listen carefully, when we square this 492, we know that the answer must be 6 digit, right? So friends, listen carefully friends, from 500 it is 8 less, so from 500 it is 8 less, so 8 square will be 64. So finally we can say that the answer will be 2420, which we got here, and 8 square will be 64. So now we got the 6 digit. So finally the answer will be 242064. So friends, just take your note and calculate for the remaining numbers. So friends, you can't able to directly close your eyes and say answer of any number. You need definitely you need a practice, right? So practice a lot and lot. Just go for the smaller numbers initially, then go for a little bit of a bigger number, so that you can also square a number by closing your eyes. So friends, our only target, we need to square a number within 5 or 6 seconds. I hope that this is one of the easy method to square a number. So friends, I did my job in this new year 2017. I hope that you have really enjoyed this video. My only thing, share this video to all your friends, so that your friends can also learn this and apply these tricks in the exam. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for all the subscribers who subscribe my channel. Thank you so much friends. Bye.